of the certification workshop can be very helpful because it does open up your horizon about our thinking and why we want to do something in certain ways. My name is Zayne and I work at Toyota GB. I look after the digital planning function of the company. A couple of things that motivated me to come here today. The first thing is to learn and observe from other industries as well on how to use Monday. The second thing is just hear directly from the people who run the software and the system to see whether there are any principles that they can challenge us to start to think about so that we can start to incorporate in our existing workplace and work streams. As part of the certification workshop, the key aha moments are when we really drill down into how effective Monday.com is helping companies to organize themselves. A lot of the core issues is actually the same across all companies in that we don't actually know what our processes are. And in order to make a system work, it's important to understand how processes work currently within our existing structure. I think after this workshop, the next step for me is to make sure we can embed the practice and mentality of constantly being adaptive to change so that we are not afraid to try new things and we can learn from every new thing we tried on the path of getting better.